My mom always cooks for me, so this Mother's Day we're cooking for her. First you put a butter on a pan and smear it around, or whatever that thing is called. I don't know if it's called a pan or not. But then you put your crepe batter on, and then you let it toast for a while. And then my mom likes ham, so I put some ham on it. Then I put this white cheese. I think it's called mozzarella or something. And then you fold the 4 sides up. And then you can make however many of these you want. I made 6. And then you put them in a Traeger grill for a while. Pull them out. My mom always puts this green stuff on it. I don't know what it's called. And then I cooked 2 for my mom. And my mom always splits the egg yolk, so I split the egg yolk like she always does. And that's how you make these flat pancakes for Mother's Day.